So I was craving catfish barbecue. I told my husband that we need to please sit out and have some barbecue, you know. When I ordered for barbecue, first of all, what they brought to me was very tiny and not commensurable with the price. I had no option than to eat it. It wasn't worth it at all. As a sharp babe who likes to be in the kitchen, like to satisfy my cravings in a very healthy way, I had no option than to enter market, guys, got myself this particular catfish and decided to make the barbecue all by myself. Of course, it cost me nothing. It took me not more than 45 minutes to get this done. I mean, when I say get this done, it was so yummy, so delicious. I started by washing off the fish. I used alum for quick wash. If you want your fish to be fast when washing and very, very clean, you can use alum. Some people say they use lemon or lime. It's fine. Anything you want to use, you can go ahead and use. Then I started by frying my pepper mix, onions. I added some spices to make it nicer. I added salt, seasoning, thyme, curry. Add any spice of your choice. Of course, I added my ginger and garlic paste. Guys, if you add ginger and garlic paste to your fish sauce, it gives it so much unique and sweet taste. Of course, I didn't allow it to cook for too long. I just fried it for 2 to 3 minutes. The ingredients I use, I'll be dropping in the comment section or rather in the description box. So if you decide to go by my pattern, fine, but you can as well use spices of your own choice, okay? So I went ahead to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, brought it down and proceeded to applying it to my fish, which is the vital part. If you don't apply it properly or generously, your fish may not come out nicer. Imagine trying to take off these things and my knife was proving stubborn. I can imagine, my dear, it was all worth it. By the end of this video, you'll be understanding why I said it is all worth it. So I got my foil, placed my catfish on it. Yes, and then cut the catfish in pieces to enable me apply the sauce generously and in the fish very well. If you don't cut the fish in between like this, it might be difficult for your fish to taste nicer. From experience, when you put in the spices in between the fishes, it will make it to come out nicer, okay? So don't forget, this part is very, very important. Do not cut it in a way that it will separate from each other. Just open cut a little bit and then go ahead and place the sauce. Please, I advise you apply the sauce generously at all parts. Every part of the fish, apply it, okay? So it will help your fish to assimilate the sauce properly, okay?